Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 5 Data Handling Part 1. What is meant by data? Data means a collection of information. Where did you get this information? From newspaper, from internet, and from society. Okay, so how to organize and how to visualize this data? Already you learned bar graph by visual representation. Already you learned visual representation of data by using bar graph, double bar graph and pictograph. Okay. Now in this class we have to learn this data how to organize or large data how to organize and how to represent, how to visually represent this large data. Okay, and also this visual representation help us to understand and compare the data very easy way. Okay, the next one, organizing data. How to organize the data? Very simply, see, in the given data is some subjects, it is liked by students, so we have to we have to arrange this data into tabular form by using tally mark. Already you learned how to use a tally mark in 7th standard. So here 4 subjects are given: art, mathematics, science and English. It is in the first column, and the second column is tally mark. Art, how many times we count one by one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. So total art subjects is 7. Then mathematics 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then total 5 and so on. So this is called tabular form, and also the last column is known as frequency of the data. Okay, and this type of table is known as frequency distribution table. Then how to construct a frequency distribution table for the large data? That is called a grouped frequency table. So here given some data and we have to use tally mark, but there is a small difference from the first. Here we have to grouping the numbers. How to group the numbers? So I am selecting here the first column. You can observe that 0 to 10. 0 from we start from 0 and last 10. That means 0 to 10, and again we start with 10, 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And how to use tally mark in the second column? Very simple. In the first column 0 to 10. So 0 to 9 numbers in the data. So you mark the tally column, and 10 is not included in the first one. 10 is included in the second. Okay, not included in first 10. 10 is included in second. Don't take 10 in both, only in second. So 0 to 9 you mark in the second column, then 10 to 19 you mark in the second column, and 20 will mark the third one, that is 20 to 30. Okay, then 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 are called class intervals of the data. So in this class interval, the first one, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The first one in 0 to 10 is 0, is called lower class limit, and 0 to 10, the class interval 0 to 10, the second number, that is 10, is called upper class limit. So in 10 to 20, 10 is the lower class limit and 20 is the upper class limit. And the difference between upper class limit and lower class limit is known as width or size of the class interval. In this table, all the width or size are same, equal in all interval. Okay. Then next one, how to represent this grouped frequency table or frequency data. That is called histogram. Already you learned how to draw a bar graph, how to draw a double bar graph. So here the question is, some of the marks are given: class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and the frequencies are 2, 10, 21, 19, 7, 1. Total is 60. So we have to mark these all class intervals and frequency on the graph sheet. For this, we need first x-axis and y-axis. On the x-axis, we marks of the students. Okay, start from 0. The intersection point is 0, then right side 0 to 10, then the second interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then 50 to 60. On the y-axis, we have to mark number of students or frequency. We can take to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. in this way, or 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 in this way. Okay, so it is apt to take 0 to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. up to 22. Okay. The next procedure is to draw some rectangular bars. First one 0 to 10. How many frequency? 2. So we draw the first rectangle 2 and write on the above the rectangle, and is 10 to 20 next rectangle above we write 10, next 21, next 90, next 7, and next 1. So this is called histogram. Okay, you observe that there is no gap between any two rectangles. So this is called histogram. Okay, let us look at some example. Observe the histogram and answer the questions given below. Here the x-axis is given that height of some girls, and on the y-axis number of girls of class 7. So here starting with the 0 to 125, but the given data is not given 0 to 25. That measurement is not given in the question. That therefore there is a line, curved line. So that is a line is called a jagged line or broken line. Okay, so you have to draw a line in between 0 to 125. So that data is not given in the, or data is not mentioned in the data. Okay, then first question, what information is being given by the histogram? Second one, which group contains maximum girls? Third one, how many girls have a height of 145 centimeter and more? The first question, what information is being given by the histogram? Height of the students, girls, height of the girls in 7th standard. Second one, which group contains maximum girls? 140 to 145. Then third question, how many girls have a height of 145 centimeter and more? That means 145. From 145, 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Okay. The next one is visual representation of another data, circle graph or pie chart. What is meant by circle graph or pie chart? When the given data are represented in circular form, then such type of graph is known as circle graph or pie chart. So usually the given data we converted into degree. That means 10 degree, 20 degree up to 360 degree, because we know the center angle is 360 of the circle. So we have to convert the data into degree, and after that by using protractor we draw a pie chart or circle graph. Look at this example. Here sales of some bakery items is given below, and what are they? Ordinary bread 320, then fruit bread 80, cakes and pastries 160, biscuits 120, and others 40. Total rupees is 720. So here we have to write 4 columns. First column the items, the second column is sales. So ordinary bread, biscuits, cakes, fruit bread, and others in the first column. Second column says 320, 120, 160, 80, and 40. Then third column we have to write the given data into fraction. How to write in fraction? 320 out of 720. So 320 divided by 720, that's equal to 4 by 9. Next 120 divided by 720, that's equal to 1 by 6, and so on. The last column is very simple. So you will get one fraction. That fraction is multiplied to 360 degree, and you will get a degree, the data into directly into degree. that is 4 by 9 into 360 is equal to 160 degree. 1 by 6 into 360 is equal to 60 degree, and so on. So this degree of data is marked on the circle. Firstly, we have to draw a circle with the radius, any radius. You can take any radius. You take a 3 centimeter radius circle and draw a radius 3 centimeter line on the graph, and by using protractor measure 160 degree and draw another line here, and 60 from that line you draw 60 degree by using protractor, then and so on, 60 degree, 80 degree, 40 degree, and 20 degree. You will get total is 360 degree. So this is known as circle graph or pie chart. So the first is 160 degree means 320, and the second one 60 degree is 120 degree, then 80 degree portion that is 160 degree, then 40 degree portion is what, 80 degree, and 20 degree portion is 40 sale. Okay, so this is the circle graph or pie chart of the given data. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.